Welcome to Britannics Media. Thank you for joining me today as we talk about how you can earn a real income online through stock photography and videography. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This isn't about shortcuts, it's a guide for building a long-term, sustainable income stream. So, what is stock photography and videography? It's all about creating visual content photos and videos that businesses, creators, and marketers can license for their own projects. The best part is, you don't need to be famous or work for a big company to get started. All you really need is patience, consistency, and a clear understanding of how the entire process works. Before you even think about picking up your camera, it's crucial to understand what stock content is and how it's actually used. Companies, marketers, teachers, and media creators buy stock content to save time and money. They're looking for visuals that feel natural, look clean, and can be used in many different situations. Stock platforms act as the marketplace where your content gets discovered and licensed. You earn money every single time someone licenses your work through these platforms. This is a business that rewards creators who think about usefulness and practicality, not just personal artistic taste. Now, let's talk about gear. The first step is choosing the right equipment based on what you already have. Believe it or not, a modern smartphone with a good camera can be more than enough to get started, especially for photos. If you own a digital camera, take the time to learn how to use its manual settings for better control over your shots. Remember, clean lenses and stable shots matter far more than expensive gear. When it comes to video, steady movement and good lighting can make a huge difference. Your primary focus should always be on clarity, not complexity. Lighting is one of the most important elements in both stock photography and videography. Natural light coming from a window works incredibly well and costs absolutely nothing. When you're shooting, try to avoid harsh shadows and overexposed highlights whenever possible. Soft, even light makes your content much easier for buyers to use in their projects. If you decide to use artificial lights, keep them simple and balanced. Great lighting can instantly turn an average scene into professional-looking content that sells. Next, you need to understand what kind of content actually sells on stock platforms. Simple, universal concepts like business, lifestyle, education, health, and technology are always in high demand. Photos and videos that show real people doing everyday activities perform exceptionally well. Always aim for clean backgrounds and clear subjects, as this helps buyers imagine how they can use your content in their own work. Try to avoid overly artistic or unusual angles that might limit the usability of your images. The key is to think like a customer, not just like a creator. Planning your shoots will save you a ton of time and frustration down the road. Before you start shooting, decide what story or idea you want to communicate. Make a small list of the specific shots you want to capture. This simple step keeps your work focused and efficient. Planning also helps you avoid missing important details, and even a little bit of preparation can dramatically improve the quality of your final content. If you're working with people in your shots, you must always get proper permission before uploading the content. Stock platforms require a signed model release form for any recognizable faces. This legal document protects you, the model, and the beer. Even if you're shooting with friends or family, they need to sign a release. Make sure you keep these documents organized and stored safely. Legal clarity is a non-negotiable part of working in the stock industry. Composition plays a huge role in making your stock content valuable. A great tip is to leave some empty or negative space in your photos and videos. This copy space allows designers to add text or logos later, making your content much more flexible and appealing. Keep the main subject clear and easy to identify. Avoid cluttered backgrounds that distract from the core message. Simple, clean composition will directly increase your sales potential. Editing is where you polish your content and make it look professional. For photos, make gentle adjustments to brightness, contrast, and color balance. It's important to avoid heavy filters or dramatic effects that limit how the image can be used. For videos, keep your cuts smooth and your colors looking natural. Always export your files in the high-quality formats recommended by the stock platforms you're using. Clean, professional editing builds trust with buyers and makes them more likely to license your work again. Finally, choosing the right stock platforms is another critical step. There are many popular stock websites out there that allow contributors from all over the world. Each platform has its own submission rules, review process, and payment system. It's essential to read the contributor guidelines carefully before you start uploading. Creating strong titles and descriptions helps buyers find your work. Use clear language that describes what is happening in the image or video. Focus on actions, emotions, and settings. Avoid misleading words that do not match the content. Honest descriptions improve approval chances. This step is just as important as shooting. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Keywords are critical in stock photography and videography. They help your content appear in search results. Use relevant and accurate keywords only. Think about how a buyer might search for that image or video. Do not add unrelated keywords just to get attention. Quality keywords lead to quality sales. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. The review process can take time, and rejections are normal. Do not take rejection personally. Review feedback carefully and learn from it. Many successful contributors faced rejection at the beginning. Improvement comes from patience and practice. Consistency matters more than perfection. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Understanding licensing helps you set the right expectations. Stock platforms handle licensing for you, which makes things easier. Buyers pay for usage rights, not ownership. Your content can be licensed multiple times by different clients. This creates long-term earning potential. Knowledge builds confidence in the process. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Focus on building a large, high-quality portfolio over time. More useful content increases income potential. Think of this as a long-term project, not quick money. Growth comes gradually. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Organizing your files will save you stress later. Keep folders for photos, videos, releases, and edits. Use clear file names that make sense. Back up your work regularly to avoid loss. Organization supports consistency and professionalism. Treat this like a real business. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Trends matter, but timeless content sells longer. While seasonal themes are useful, everyday concepts last for years. Balance trend-based shoots with evergreen ideas. This protects your portfolio from becoming outdated. Buyers always need simple, relatable visuals. Stability comes from balance. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Video content is growing fast in stock marketplaces. Short, steady clips are often more valuable than long scenes. Keep movements slow and natural. Avoid sudden camera shakes. Think about how editors might use your clips. Video rewards careful planning. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Audio matters in video stock content. Many platforms prefer videos without background noise. Record in quiet environments when possible. If audio is not needed, silent footage is often acceptable. Clean sound increases approval chances. Quality control is essential. Uploading regularly helps your visibility on platforms. Even small uploads done consistently can grow your portfolio. Set a realistic schedule that fits your life. Do not rush uploads at the cost of quality. Slow and steady progress wins here. Discipline builds results. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Learning from top-performing content can guide your growth. Search popular images and videos on stock sites. Analyze lighting, composition, and concepts. Do not copy, but learn patterns. This improves your creative decisions. Observation is a powerful teacher. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Managing expectations is important for motivation. Income may start small and grow slowly. Results depend on effort, quality, and time. Stay patient and focused on improvement. Many contributors see growth after months of consistency. Persistence creates opportunity. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Stock photography and videography can fit around other work. You can shoot on weekends or during free time. This flexibility makes it accessible to many people. Treat each session as practice and progress. Small steps add up over time. Commitment matters more than speed. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Finally, remember that this journey is about learning and consistency. Every upload improves your skills and confidence. Focus on value, clarity, and usefulness in your content. Stay within platform rules and creative guidelines. Thank you for being part of Ecommerce Media. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.